Have you ever encountered this kind of thing? Sometimes there are not enough sockets or the cord is not long enough, which is very inconvenient. Try this retractable socket developed by Siemens. The quality inspection of the electrical appliance department is qualified, and the 3C certification marked. Reliable and safe quality guarantee. You can stretch it as long as you want. Twist like this and the thread will come back. Those who like to play with their mobile phones on the sofa and bed. It also has a USB charging port. No need to look around for sockets anymore. It can also be used in small kitchens with many appliances. Press to turn off the power. Practical and convenient.